There are 5 ways to save sources in Scout. Let's look at this sports article in Scout. Go to the tool options on the top right-hand side. You can save a source to your saved items list by clicking Save. The icon looks like a bookmark. Please sign in to your My EBSCO account to keep your saved items forever. To add a source to a project, use the File Folder button with a plus sign in the middle. Click the right arrow button to open the Share options. You can save through Google Drive and OneDrive. The third option is to copy the URL. The URL is a stable link that you can copy and paste to return to your source. You can email a source directly to your email by clicking Email and entering your email address in the Email To box and clicking Send. Depending on the source, you can download a PDF directly to your computer. To download the PDF, go to the top right of your screen and click the download icon, which resembles a down arrow. Another download button is located next to Access Now. When you click, you are brought to a menu and can select options of full text or metadata only. There is an Access Now PDF button under the author's name. You can also save the citation. Under the tool options, click the quotation mark icon to cite. You will see a box called Cite appear. Copy or export the citation. There are many different citation formats to choose from, including APA, Chicago, and MLA. Please double check your citations before submitting your work.